Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in this video of SOLIDWORKS series, we will learn the fillet types. For the fillet types, let's just create a first simple L-shaped rectangle. I will just design this rectangle here, and I will use the trim tool. Let's just create one line only. Give the dimension of 10 here, 10 here, and give it 50, sorry, and the length is also 40, let's say, and extruding base, mid plane, and 100. Now we have this. So to move, let's click on fillet, and we can see here that there are three types of fillet option more majorly used: constant fillet size, and face fillet, and the last is full round fillet. Full round fillet is basically a very handy tool, and face fillet is used relatively less, but the major used type is face fillet, size fillet. Face fillet is used usually when the normal fillet can't be used and it gives error. Then it demands us to use the face fillet. In the simple fillet, by clicking on the line, we get the option here to just quickly select the lines. But and clicking on tick, we get the fillet. And again, if I don't use this fillet type, I select this face fillet, then I have to select the two faces. One select, say if I selected this, second is this. Clicking on this, we get the fillet. But the both designs are similar. Both fillets gives us same results. Since I have already designed the edge, the edge disappeared, so it is giving an error. I will just roll back. We have this fillet. Now let me show you what this complete fillet is. I will select the three faces is required, as we can see here: left face, top face, and right face. Then it will create a complete round, just like shown here. One face selected, second face selected, third face selected. It is giving a complete round shape. Let's select this, select this. Now it is giving complete shape here. And to fillet this edge, we can use face fillet. We can also use simple fillet. We have this shape now. Let's click on this shape and this shape. Now, since it 10 mm is the thickness, let's put it to 2. We have the complete round shape here now. And for this shape too, I will do this. Now we have again the complete round shape here too. Let's click on view, display, and tangent line visible. Now we have, here is the, let me change the size to 4 mm. 4. As you can see now, the perfect shape has been achieved and smooth shape. This is what a fillet can do, and these three types of fillets can be used for. Now, in designing multiple parts, the fillets can be used in multiple ways, but this is a basic function of fillets. Now, in the drop-down menu of fillet, we have a chamfer option too. So let's just roll back the fillets and click on chamfer. Let's say I want to make this edge steeper. I will select this, and now this edge will become steeper. We can also do this by just cutting the edge, but I have just used chamfer. Rolling back, I can do chamfer in multiple ways. Given here is chamfer plus area, as shown in the demonstration here, distance, and we can give area, angle. It currently angle is 45, and if I increase the angle, it will go downward. Let me select the left plane, front plane. If I increase the angle, this shape angle is increasing. Let's flip the direction. Now this will go up and down. like this. If I decrease the angle is decreasing by clicking on the arrow. If I increase the angle, the chamfer increasing. Let's say I do 66. You can see the steepness is very high now. Let's change the dimension to 2 mm now. You can see the steep like this. The second option we can do chamfer is by clicking on chamfer is using a distance and distance. Let's say we want here the 2 mm, 3 mm forward and 10 mm backward. Symmetric means the left side and forward side and the bottom side are same, but we don't want it to same. Then I will select from drop down menu asymmetric. First we wanted 3 and on bottom we wanted 8. So you can see now steepness is 3 mm from this side and 8 mm from this side. Now again selecting chamfer. Third type is point. From the point we can make the 3 side edge. So I am selecting this. We can do just simple like that. We can use these two, but I guess because of the size. You can see chamfer has been generated here too. And in last we select two planes and we give the dimension value. Let's say it is 5 and here is the chamfer. Now filleting, let's just say I select one plane and I select all 29 edges. It will take some time because many edges have been selected. Now let's just take it to 4. Let's see if at 3 all fillet can be done. Yes, at 3. Now you can see no edge, you will see the sharp. Every edge will be filleted now because I have selected all during the selection process. This is what a fillets and chamfer can do, and they are widely used. So make sure to practice them. So thank you so much for today's lecture. In the next lecture we will cover the remaining features.